Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another 3 Plus Prestige Mindset Network win of the day. This is the space where we share our daily wins and accomplishments. So I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into sharing my win of the day with you guys. First and foremost, I want to say happy almost Friday. We're almost at the end of the week, so that already is a big win. So let's start off with that as the first win of today. Yes, yes, very well deserved. But yeah, let me just go ahead and jump straight into the actual win. Well, the actual win is that this week I started a new learning course that is helping me better understand the construction industry through role playing and real life scenarios. This new course that we're taking is already part of one of the courses that we already take. But this is something that's more focused on specifically our company. So this pretty much has already all the information from our company background. It knows everything that we do, the type of work that we do, our licenses, everything that we have, like I said, our background, and it uses that to create scenarios to role play. For example, it'll give you a scenario of uh, there's a woman called Laura, and she lives in La Mesa here in San Diego. She is looking to renovate her kitchen. This person wants uh, to do an addition of something, and it'll give you like a little bit of background of that person and what the person wants. And then your or my thing to do here is to practice on how to respond to her needs. So, for example, if she's reaching out from a friend that gave her our information, I have to work my way into, okay, introduce our company if that's what's needed. Um, get her information as to what it is that she wants from this project, and it'll like prompt us to give like specific answers. It's looking to get specific answers from us just to make this more of a professional way and practice how to handle these type of situations, whether um, it puts you in different situations that can happen during a construction project. For example, it'll have me practice how I would respond, communicate, and handle the situation. What I really like about this training, though, is that not only am I learning information, but I'm also practicing how to actually use it when it's in real time, when somebody does call the company, and how to handle those phone calls or whatever way it is that they reach out to us. Whether it's communicating with the client, dealing with a problem on a project, discussing the scope of work, or handling an unexpected situation, each role play helps me become more confident and more prepared for the actual real world that we're in. I know that there is definitely still a lot more for me to learn, but every scenario gives me more experience and better understanding of how construction projects are managed. And for me, that's a win because the more that I practice today, the better prepared that I'll be when I face the real situation tomorrow. So that pretty much concludes my win of the day, guys. If you guys would like to share your wins or your accomplishments with me, feel free to either leave a comment, send us a message. You guys can also call our office. Our phone number is 619 2020679, or you guys can visit us in person. We're located at 3683 University Avenue here in San Diego. And lastly, you can also follow us on our social media. You can find us as AZH Builders on all platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all other platforms. So yeah, guys, thank you so very much for listening to today's win of the day. Remember to keep working towards your goal. No matter how big or small the steps are, you are one step closer to your goal, guys. Thank you so much and have a good rest of your day.